Well, take two. You know, what can you do? But we have been gone for 3 weeks. Oh, hi, Nimbus. Nimbus, what you doing over there?
Look at me!
Anywho, we have been gone for 3 weeks because the mother-in-law who lives next door had a huge, massive, biblical proportion flood. A lot of water out here.
Not a dirt in the ground this year.
Gotta pee. I mean, granted, there were no animals of every kind in the house, but there was us, so at least that's two. Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
We were at our house one day about 3 weeks ago. Some customers came over for some wedding photography. They stayed for a while, and it was raining the whole time. We started getting nervous because there was a lot of freaking water.
Wow. That must be where the culverts are. Yeah. Oh.
And when they left, we looked at each other and said, uh-oh, let's take a walk. There's a lot of water. It might be fun. So we were excited for all the water because there was water everywhere. Everywhere around our house, around the barn. Around the shed, in the field.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
We thought it'd be fun. Little did we know it wasn't going to be fun.
Little water. Little water.
Water!
We walked over to the mother-in-law's house. I had a gut feeling that it was going to be flooded.
Wow. Holy crap.
It's the end of the world as we know it.
Hope your mom's house isn't flooded.
Well, we'll have to go in the basement and check.
So then we went inside, and sure enough, it was flooded.
Poop. That's not good.
And it was one of those where we went downstairs, we saw a little bit of water. It's like, oh, it's not too bad. But then it just kept coming in and coming in. And you can't stop Mother Nature. She's relentless. So we just watch the water coming. What can you do when you watch the water coming? Like, yay, water.
Oh. Wow. Oh.
Yeah, that's what.
Ooh. That is grody. 1980s grody.
And then we knew we had a lot of work ahead of us. We just can't leave the house flooded. As the water's coming in, we're trying to get everything that could be damaged by water out to higher ground. We tried to get the water out with pumps and stuff, but there's enough water to destroy everything, but not enough where we could hook a pump up to actually get it out. After the water recessed, we ripped out all the carpet in every room. Oh good, I thought it was under here.
Oh, it's not?
No.
Oh, sweet. Yay. Well, little victories. Little victory. You look like the guy behind you.
Yeah. And then under the carpet there was the pad, which was glued to the floor. So then after that we had to scrape all the carpet and the glue off the floor. Not fun, but we did it. We dudes it. We dudes it.
You.
It comes off nice. But it's saturated as and it's a high traffic area.
Grody.
Grilled. Nice little bit of water.
What you doing?
Jacking up a pool table.
Why?
Because there's carpet under it and it's heavy.
Carpet. That's because you lift the weights and drink them. Ooh.
Thanks. Very special smell, Lloyd. Very special smell. God, this stuff is giving off heat. So after carpet, it was trim. Take off the trim. take off some drywall, let stuff dry, and we also had to leave everything open for the insurance adjuster. He had to come over and inspect stuff. That's fine piece of quality furniture. I'd like to see if I could fumigate it, save it.
Hulk smash.
And then after we ripped everything out, we had to put everything back together. So we cleaned it, ripped everything out, cleaned it, ripped it, cleaned it, stuff. Frustration sets in. I realized that the painter's tape is the same color as the walls.
What are your thoughts
That's
on
gross.
that?
And they did it on purpose, thinking it was a good color.
It used to be that color.
Yeah, it used to be puke yellow, now it's just puke green. Done prepping the basement, shutting lights off.
For the most part.
For the most part. But holes have been mortared, tape has been on the trim, lights are being shut off, notes for the mutter. Carolyn, how's your shirt? Raggy. Then we put a new floor down. We're not putting carpet down again. So we put an epoxy floor down. It looks sexy, sexy. Then after that we put trim down, patched up drywall if we had to, put new shelves up where the wooden shelves were ruined. Old furniture was ruined because it's wood. Oh, Kara, she is finishing up the trim. She's sanding some of the trim. Let's take a look. That's what we have been doing for the last 3 weeks. But hopefully we're done. We're done very soon. Almost done. And we can move back on. Get back where we can get back to doing what we're supposed to be doing. Making art. Ruling the world. That kind of stuff. That's where we are. Hopefully I'll see you next week. Sorry for pointing. But we'll see you next week with a video that's relevant, poignant, and entertaining. But thanks for watching like you always do. We'll see you next time. Okay? Bye!